Subscribe to RA Solutions by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon to receive notifications. Hello there, welcome to another video by RA Solutions. In this video, if you remember in one of my previous videos, I said I was going to show you the type mask tool in Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. This video is all about showing you the horizontal type mask tool in Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. So what you see in front of you is a blank canvas, an A4 canvas for Adobe Photoshop. So here is where I'm going to use the type mask tool. So on the left side I've got all my tools. If we go to the T tool here, and the one we want is right click, is the T tool there. Remember, if you watch my previous videos, I showed you how to right click and you get the extra options. And then the text tool, you got the horizontal type tool, which I showed you in one of my earlier videos, vertical one, vertical type mask tool, and the horizontal type mask tool. The one we're going to use today is the horizontal one. So basically what a type mask tool is, whatever background you have in front of you, it will take the background and put it onto the text. This is what I'm going to show you. So I'm going to go on the internet and find a picture of a tiger. It's an animal I like. This is a picture of a tiger I found on the internet, and what I'm going to do is put this picture onto Adobe Photoshop. Then I'm going to use the type mask tool, and this picture will go over the text, and I'm going to show you what I mean in a minute. So right click, copy image, go into Photoshop. Here make sure the move tool selected here at the top, then go to edit and then go to paste. Obviously the picture is small. To make this picture bigger, there's a few ways you can make it bigger. The one I'm going to show you is go to edit, transform and scale. When you do that, it will highlight the picture. Now what you need to do is drag the picture and make it bigger. So what I'm going to do is make sure it's the whole width of my canvas roughly. So that's my picture of my tiger. Then double click on it when you're happy, and you notice it will add that picture onto a new layer. So I've got two layers, background and layer one. On layer one is the picture of my tiger. Now what I need to do, second thing, is go to my T tool on the left side here, and remember that I had already selected the horizontal type mask tool, but just to double check, right click, go across, go down to the further options, and here left click on the horizontal type mask tool here. Now we're getting there. Now what I need to do before I draw my text box is select the size of my text and the type of text I'm going to have. So I'm going to use the nightclub text, and I'm going to roughly use 200 point here, regardless of the color here. So I'm going to draw my box. There we go, and it will add some text in there already, and delete whatever's in there, and I'm going to type the word in tiger. Oh, make sure the caps lock's on. Can't spell. One more time. Third time lucky. Here we go. Yep. So once I'm happy with that, once I'm happy where it is, center it. There you go. And that's where my text is going to be. You've noticed the picture is starting to come over the text. That's what I meant by the picture being over the text. Now what I need to do is click on the move tool again. Yeah, so now it's highlighted the part of the picture I need. Now what I can simply do is, using the move tool, is just move that picture or the wording of the word tiger, and you notice based on my selection, that part of that picture is over now the letters in the word tiger. So that's how you use the horizontal type mask tool. If you wanted to use a vertical type mask tool, you would use it in exactly the same way, but other than that, words being in horizontal, the words will be vertical. Now to get rid of this picture, if you notice, it's put the word tiger on the same layer as the picture of the tiger here. And if you want to get rid of the picture here, obviously you can't delete the layer because it will delete the writing as well because it's on the same layer. Choose this tool here, which is a rectangular marquee tool. Click on that and then go over the picture or the bit you don't need, highlight that, then click on the delete button on your keyboard, click on it again so the selection goes, and then click on the move tool again, and you can move the picture or the writing wherever you want it to go. So to change the size of that writing again, Control and T, or edit transform scale, and then you can make it bigger or make it smaller, how you want it. Double click on it once you're happy, and there we have it. So that was an easy video really, showing you how to use the horizontal type mask tool in Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. I hope this video has helped. Please like, subscribe and share.